you probably don't think much about your tire inflator. Until the moment your dashboard light flickers on and your heart drops. Low tire pressure. Again, that's why I bought, tested, and rated 7 of the most popular tire inflators you can buy in 2025. From tiny glove box-sized gadgets to heavy-duty machines that could inflate a monster truck tire, I spent over 50 hours in the garage to separate the hype from the heroes. This isn't a sponsored review. I paid for every single one of these with my own cash, just like you would. And I ran them through 3 brutal real-world tests. So if you're a daily driver, a weekend warrior, or just someone who never wants to be stranded by a flat, this is the only tire inflator video you need to watch. Let's kick things off with the one that did it all. The AstroAI Cordless Tire Inflator. It looks like a power drill, but it's all business. I topped off 4 tires from 25 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes each. That's the sweet spot for most sedans and crossovers. What really stood out was the dual power option. When the lithium-ion battery ran out, which, by the way, only happened after fully inflating 4 tires. I just switched to the 12-volt car plug and kept going. And yes, it automatically shuts off once your set pressure is hit. No guessing. No overinflation. Just set it, squeeze it, forget it. It's not perfect. It looks like you're about to hang drywall rather than inflate a tire, and it could use a quieter motor. But in every key category, speed, power, portability, and reliability, the AstroAI took the crown. Now let's talk about space savers. You don't always want a bulky tool in your trunk. Enter the Craftsman 12 volts max portable air inflator. This thing is barely larger than a TV remote. I charged it with a USB cable, stuck it in the glove box, and forgot about it. Until I didn't. When it came time to test it, the Craftsman inflated 2 full tires and nearly completed a third before the battery gave out. Not bad for a tool smaller than a paperback. The noise level? Pretty loud. But the rubber exterior keeps it from slipping out of your hands. And the presets make it incredibly easy to use for everything from bike tires to pool floats, if compact. Is your priority and you're fine finishing a third tire using your car's power port? The Craftsman is a glove box hero. Now for the beast. The Viair 88P. If you drive a truck, SUV, or anything with beefy off-road tires, stop what you're doing. This is your inflator. No cordless fluff here. The Viair clamps directly to your battery terminals and pulls real juice, and that power translates into pure speed. It took just under 7 minutes to inflate a completely flat tire from 0 to 35 psi. That's less than half the time of most cordless models. No, it doesn't have an auto shutoff. You have to watch the analog gauge and stop manually. And yes, you'll be popping your hood every time you use it. But if you've ever aired down for off-roading or had to inflate oversized tires regularly, you'll appreciate the muscle this machine brings. It's not small. It's not light. But when you need it most, it delivers fast and reliably. Of course, not everything I tested was a winner. Let's talk about the Ermoto. It's cheap, it's tiny, and it failed nearly every test I threw at it. It inflated. 1 tire, barely, struggled with accuracy. Overheated quickly. Maybe it's okay for a bicycle, but for your car? Hard pass. Then there's the dual 20 volts max. Incredible build quality, strong performance. But unless you're already invested in dual tools and have batteries lying around, it's just too pricey for what it offers. There are better deals. With similar performance? The Modari? It looks like the Craftsman's cousin, but it's slower and more expensive. I wanted to like it, but it never matched the performance-to-price ratio that Craftsman brought. And finally, the Pittsburgh Dual Power Inflator. Surprisingly capable, especially for home garage use. You can plug it into a wall or your car, which is nice flexibility, but it's slow. Too slow for emergencies. Let's talk about how I tested these Inflators. First, the 4-tire top-up test. I dropped the pressure on all 4 tires to 25 psi, then timed how long it took each inflator to bring them up to 35 psi. This is your Monday morning panic test. The top performers, like the AstroAI and the Viair, had no problem getting me road ready in under 20 minutes. Next came the flat tire test, from dead flat to 35 psi. If an inflator couldn't handle that, it failed the test. This separated the gimmicks from the real tools. Finally, the high-pressure test. I connected each inflator to a 5-gallon air tank and attempted to pressurize it. From 40 to 80 psi. This simulates heavy-duty tire inflation for trucks and off-roaders. Only the toughest made it through. So what should you buy? If you want the best all-around tire inflator for 2025, go with the AstroAI Cordless. It hits the perfect balance of portability, power, and price. Need something ultra-compact? Get the Craftsman 12 volts max. It's small but mighty and perfect for emergency top dash-ups. Drive a truck or SUV? Go for the Viair 88P. Yes, it's big. Yes, it clamps to your battery. But when you need serious air fast, it's unbeatable. Here's the bottom line. Your tire inflator should be like your spare tire, always ready, never in the way, and crucial when things go sideways, whether you're commuting to work, heading out for a weekend hike, or just making a grocery run. Having the right inflator gives you peace of mind. And peace of mind, like good traction, is something you never want to lose on the road. Thanks for riding with Shift Path. If you've used any of these inflators, or have a favorite of your own, let us know in the comments. And if you want more brutally honest gear reviews with real-world testing, hit that subscribe button. We've got more coming your way. Stay aired up. Stay safe. We'll see you on the next drive.